Eager to propel your career to new heights? Look no further than LSPM. Here, you'll cultivate sought-after abilities that open doors to success. Join us and immerse yourself in the art of strategic planning, where vision meets action. Delve into the intricacies of financial management, mastering the tools of fiscal control. But it doesn't end there. At LSPM, leadership isn't just taught, it's ingrained. You'll emerge not just as a professional, but as a leader in your field. Ready to embark on a transformative journey? Don't wait. Apply now and seize the opportunity to shape your future with LSPM. To apply, visit our website www.lspm.org.uk today.